네, 저 이제 차를 이제 문제없이 다 반납했고 이제 맡겨놨던 디파짓 $5,000도 이제 하루 이틀 있으면 이제 들어온다고 합니다. 별 이상 없이 잘 반납했습니다. 네, 저 퀸스타운에서 이제 이틀 정도 더 묵을 건데 이제 호스텔을 예약했어요. 남은 시간 이제 호스텔에서 묵으면서 이제 도보로 퀸스타운을 좀 더 둘러보고 가겠습니다. Thank you, sir. 10 pound? Okay. 10 pound when you get on. Okay. 귀엽네. 블랙십 백패커스. 호스텔 이쁘다. 근데 이 작은 호스텔에 사우나랑 스파가 있는 거 진짜 대박이다 진짜. 오케이. 그래도 아무래도 캠핑하기가 좀 불편하게 자긴 했거든요. 그래서 좀 싫어하는데 여기가 35,000원인데 스파랑 사우나가 다 있어요. 잘 고른 것 같아요 여기. 물이 없구나. Sorry.
I don't know. Yeah. I think the truck's probably.
날 막을 때 하늘에 별 딱 보면서 이렇게 누워 있으면 진짜 좋겠다. So what is your name?
David.
David.
Yeah. What was your name?
David. I'm Jay.
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 Nice to meet you, Jay.
Yeah, you from state Boston.
Boston.
You work the Korean restaurant.
In Boston, 6 years I worked in a Korean restaurant. All the owners were from South Korea, and so
Really?
I learned how to use chopsticks there. I learned how to eat sundubu there, how to mix a bibimbap there. It was good. It was just, do you want me to say about how I learned, all the cooks in the back only spoke Spanish, not Korean.
Yeah, I know. Mexican people?
All the cooks were from Mexico. Yeah, they were trying to work, and so everybody always asked me if I learned how to speak Korean there, and I was like, no, man, like I only learned how to speak Spanish.
But you can cook Korean food, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh.
A little bit. I can make kimchi.
Kimchi,
Pretty good.
really?
I can make good kimchi.
Okay, very interesting. So you worked the Korean restaurant after primary school?
Yeah, I was 16 to 21.
Wow.
22.
Is the main customer is a Korean or American?
So it depends.
Depends.
We have the more family type. Friday nights, Saturday nights, it would be a lot of Americans coming in looking for a date. They love the side dishes.
Wow, they love side dish.
That's their favorite.
Okay. What do you think now is American people is getting interesting in Korean food or before now?
When I first started, not a lot of Americans were eating at the restaurant.
Yep.
I would say now, 2024, a lot more people are thinking about, not just Asian food, but Korean food specifically.
Okay. So now you're traveling the Southeast Asia and then after Australia and you came here, right?
Yeah, man. 16 countries in 2 months.
Wow. After here, where do you go?
After here, I will go to Canada.
After Canada, you go back to Boston.
Yeah, so graduated university.
University.
I went to Seoul, obviously. I did DMZ there, big tour. And then I went to Jeonju, 7-meter Buddha statue. And then I went to Busan, best sunset I've seen in all of the countries though.
Cool. How long did you stay in Korea?
Korea was 1 week.
1 week, but New Zealand is 3 days. Oh.
Yeah, I have to pick and choose. I work in a Korean restaurant for 6 years.
Wow.
I want to stay in Korea at least a week. Try real kimchi. I'm trying to grab a recipe from each place I go to.
Yeah.
Something to make. This is one of the funniest stories. If I can find my phone, I was really thirsty one night and I was just looking for water, and I went into a grocery store to try and find just some water, and so I hadn't drank all day, and I went in and I bought this thing. The lady gave me a weird look, and she was like, and I just started walking home, and I opened up this bottle and I started chugging because I was so thirsty. I drank very fast.
I knew it.
And I'll find this picture of
Gyeongju in Gyeongju.
Yeah, and I had no idea that it was.
So David, did you walk and then drink it, right?
Yeah. I was walking but I didn't think anything of it. That looks like water for any other non-Korean speaking person.
Yeah.
So I started drinking this very.
Definitely Can you see this water?
Yeah, and you know when you're super thirsty, you
Yeah.
haven't drank all day.
Yeah,
You just drink fast, right?
Yeah.
So I drink like here, and I realize this is not water. So I'm super drunk on the way home, and I just like go to bed really drunk.
Price also is not too expensive, so maybe you can be confused because of.
Explain yourself, Hugo.
Imagine situation
Oh.
like we are Italian, so we know beautiful, kind, happy. But New Zealand people, the Kiwi people, you know, warm and welcoming.
Yep.
Pure art.
Yeah,
Oh,
they
yeah.
are very open, and also
So for me, I just like the nature in here.
Nature,
like,
yeah.
Yes, I think it's my favorite thing.
I remember. I'm working with a Korean chef.
You're working with a Korean
Yeah. He's from Korea. Maybe he's from the capital. And-
Seoul, maybe.
Yeah, Seoul. Yeah. And he told me that you are like eating like
Kimchi. I know, c'est
It's a
It's like cucumber.
Yeah, like I don't know the name. It's like a seafood, very weird, very like.
Oh, squid.
No, it's not.
Live
It's like long and it's like dark.
long
No,
is
it's not,
dark.
it's not dark. It's like skin.
Oh, seafood.
Yeah.
개불.
It's like a
Oh yeah.
skin color.
And
yeah.
you can cut and eat it, right?
Yeah.
It's very
What's the name?
개불.
Cable.
개불.
Cable.
이게 dog fire. I know.
Like hot dog.
개불. Oh, 개불.
Wait, actually, in South Korea, is there a park with sculptures of?
Sorry.
Yes. It's in South Korea.
I don't know.
What is this?
It's a park. It's a.
Park.
Wait, I'm gonna Google it.
Okay.
back to-
What? You
I'm gonna
did
go
it?
there.
No. I only like knew this thing and I was like, what was that? Like,
Oh,
'cause it
yeah,
was
yeah.
so like, that was so weird. Like,
You're very shocked.
Shocked, like,
What
what's
is that?
Are you eating this?
Yeah, this is devil. It's a seafood. Yeah.
It's in Samcheok City.
Huh?
She knows so much. She's an expert.
Park with a lot of.
Ah, park.
I went to Australia. Okay, I've been working in the desert in Australia, nearby Uluru. It's beautiful. For me, it's
a lot of sand, a lot of desert.
I went to work in this 4-star resort as a chef, and the head chef was Korean. Is Korean. I
Oh,
think
yeah?
he's still there. Maybe it's the same chef. So he called himself Simon. For sure, was not his real name.
No,
You know.
mine is called Max.
Max.
Mine is Simon.
Max and Simon.
was Debbie.
And Simon was very like hardworking.
Oh, yeah,
Very
yeah.
serious when he was working.
Yeah.
So everybody was scared about him.
Oh, yeah.
But I was very serious when I'm working, and we bond each other straight away. And every time I never smoked.
Oh, yeah.
And he was telling me, come to smoke a cigarette.
Oh, yeah.
I don't smoke. Doesn't matter. Just have to.
Yeah.
Just come and stay with me. And he was speaking about his dreams, whatever. I think he's a fucking warm. Sorry, it's a warm person, very warm person, very nice person. And we became friends. He gave me as a present his knives.
Knives.
Yes.
He gave you.
Yes. This cabbage that is called kimchi. Okay. And his grandfather he was putting in fermentation for a long period under the ground. And his passion on saying this for me was very beautiful. And I love that part.
Okay.
Really. I like kimchi because of that, especially. So every time I
okay.
go to South Korean restaurant,
Okay.
I always want to have some kimchi.
Okay.
And as well, another guy that his name is
Max.
no, his name is Min Song Chu.
민성주.
He's a beautiful person as well. We are friends. 감사합니다.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Ciao, ciao, ciao. Oh, Rubin,
Ciao.
where do you go?
I'm going 1 second to the hostel, grab my stuff for work, and
Okay.
after I'm going to work.
Okay, now I'm gonna go Gondola first.
You will meet Jada there.
Yeah, Jada. Okay,
Thank you.
see you.
Ciao.
네, 좋은 아침입니다. 여기는 이제 퀸스타운의 아침이고요. 그래서 어제 오랜만에 이제 호스텔에서 잘 잤고 지금 퀸스타운 이제 곤돌라를 타러 가는데 어제 그 밤에 이제 스파에서 만났던 그 이탈리아 친구 중에 이제 자다라는 친구가 여기 곤돌라에서 일을 한대요. 그래서 오늘 공짜로 태워준다 그래가지고 곤돌라 공짜로 지금 타러 가고 있습니다. 아 근데 퀸스타운은 진짜 이쁜 것 같아요. 진짜 왜 퀸스타운인지 알겠어. 여기가 뉴질랜드 남섬에서 이제 밸런스가 제일 좋은 그런 지역인 것 같아요. 데이빗이다. Hey, you don't stay here.
How are you, my friend?
I'm good. I'm gonna go take I'm gonna ride the gondola.
All right, Jay. Look at you. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you wanna go?
A Korean friends. Jay is the #1 YouTuber in all of Korea. #1.
When I come down, we can take some coffee or.
I'm leaving in like 30 minutes. Like leaving New Zealand, bro.
Oh my god.
But dude, it's good to meet you. For real. It was really good to meet you.
Okay.
Bye,
When I go to Boston or state or you come to Korea, please let me know. I will text you.
Instagram me,
Yeah.
please. All right, Jay.
Bye, David. Good luck.
Balance.
Yeah, balance. 어제 스파에서 데이빗이랑 앉아가지고 그냥 뭐 인생에서 가장 중요한 건 뭔가 뭐 가족인가 돈인가 뭐 이런 얘기 많이 하다가 밸런스로 결정을 내렸는데 23살 친구인데 되게 멋진 친구 같습니다. 저 친구. 키위 앤 버드 라이프 파크. 뉴질랜드는 그냥 키위 하나만 알면은 그냥 다 끝나는 것 같아요. 키위에서 시작해서 키위로 끝나. 키위 파크. 곤돌라. 곤돌라 비싸네. 59달러네. 야 거의 5만원 돈, 45,000원, 5만원 돈인데?
How was your night?
Yeah, good. When you work over there, right?
Yes.
On the mountain. Okay.
That's nice.
Yeah?
Did you sleep well?
Sure.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yep, thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
If you feel like going to the luge, you can use this ticket to go there.
Also include the luge too.
Yeah, that's all.
Wow. Thank you.
No worries, I
Wow.
work here.
Yeah.
It's my Monday today. Where are you going?
There?
After that? Yeah?
Maybe I'm gonna buy pug burger.
Oh yes!
Pug burger, I'm gonna
yeah,
try,
try
yeah.
it. It's so good.
And then I will eat the pug burger with a landscape. Beautiful view, right?
Yeah,
Mountain
it's
and...
beautiful.
Uh-huh.
Most of the people just take the burger and then go to the lake.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Okay, I will go. 이렇게 생겼구나, 레이크가.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
See ya.
See you.
Pleasure.
Okay, you work
Enjoy.
there, right?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
I work upstairs.
Okay. Bye-bye. See you. 와, 카페들 미쳤네. Thank you, Jada. Yep. 저도 커피 잘하네. 자기가 굿 바리스타 그랬는데 맛있어요. 어차피 호스텔에 갔으니까 이따가 일 끝나면은 뭐 밥이나 아니면 뭐라도 하나 좀 사다 줘야겠어요. 너무 고맙네. 이게 루지 타는 사람들이구나. 야, 오늘 지금까지 뉴질랜드 온 중에 날씨 제일 좋은 것 같아요. 날씨 미쳤다 진짜. 카트라이더네, 카트라이더. Yeah, one. Yeah. Yeah.
Right, grab those handlebars,
Yeah.
pull all the way back as hard as
Yeah.
you can. So we'll turn this way, so turn in, come down, and left and right with your handlebars. Left, give
Okay.
you a stamp on your hand.
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty, you're all good to go. Have
Yeah. Go. 야, 퍼그버거는 진짜 하루도 줄이 없는 적이 없네. 기본 뭐가 있지? 퍼그? 비프네. 여기가 이제 뉴질랜드 퀸스타운에 있는 이제 퍼그버거라는 곳인데 세계에서 가장 맛있는 버거 그러면 항상 들어가는 곳이거든요. 먹어보겠습니다. 2000년에 시작했네. 이게 2000년에 15 or 20 minutes? 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, it's okay. Thank you. 뷰가 좋네. 여기서 먹겠다. 먹어볼까? 세계에서 제일 맛있다는 피그 버거? 퍼그 버거? 야야야, 저로 안 가라 임마. 새끼야. 야, 가라. 아, 인마도 와이 많아, 왜. 무섭대. 고기에 약간 그런 불맛? 불맛이 엄청 강하고.
别人不今天不在这儿看了，要赶路呢啊！过两天我们还来这儿呢。
어우, 정신없어. 안에 그 소스를 먹어봐야 될 것 같아, 소스 저기. 애매한데. 요런 느낌이 하거든요, 요런 느낌? 지금까지의 맛은 패티가 좀 불빵하고, 안에 케찹 맛 나는 소스? 그 패티가 약간 불맛 난다는 거 정도? 그거 빼고는 아직 잘 모르겠어요, 아직, 솔직히. 정신 하나도 없네. 새도 있고, 중국 사람들도 오고. 와, 임마. 버거버거의 솔직한 후기는 개인적으로 맛은 있는데 세계 1등 버거? 글쎄요, 그건 잘 모르겠어요. 너무 지금 좀 고평가됐다는 생각입니다, 솔직히 말해서. 패티에서 불맛 나는 거? 그래도 패티가 막 촉촉하거나 부드럽지도 않고 약간 그런 불맛의 딱딱한 그런 맛이 나거든요. 소스가 그렇게 막 특별한 것도 아닌 것 같고, 크게 모르겠어요. 크기 좀 큰 거 빼고는 메리트 잘 모르겠습니다, 저는. 나쁘진 않아요, 근데. 야, 임마, 가라. 진짜 가라, 이 놈 독수리야. 하나 없다고. 야, 야, 야. 저 새새끼. 빡치네, 진짜. 어떤 놈이지? 다 똑같이 생겨가지고, 새끼들. 저로 가, 저 가라, 임마. 찝찝해. 네, 저는 이렇게 뉴질랜드 퀸스타운 여행을 다 마쳤고요. 네, 이제 다음 여행은 이제 다른 나라로 넘어갈 예정입니다. 하이. 네, 이렇게 뉴질랜드 영상은 여기서 마무리하는 걸로 하겠습니다. 오늘도 긴 영상 해주셔서 감사하고요. 저는 여기까지 하겠습니다. 감사합니다. 빠이. 새 판이에요, 진짜. 저도 지금 보니까 조만간 뺏길 것 같아.